What is going on, you guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for staying true to the crew. On today's video, I'm doing another Aldi haul. So if you want to see what I pick up from Aldi, stay tuned. My name is Lonnie, and these are Lonnie's Lessons. Okay, so let's jump right into our first item, which are these turkey pepperoni. I've mentioned these before. I love turkey pepperoni. I eat them as snacks. They're great on charcuterie platters, if that's how you pronounce it. They're great on pizzas. They're great just to eat and snack on in between meals. So I totally enjoy these. They are a great price at Aldi, and I'm totally into them. Also, they are only, 70 calories for 16 slices. So it's a really great savory snack to have with some nuts, some cheese, and just to have a nice healthy snack throughout the day. So I keep these on deck. Next up is this Stōk cold brew coffee, and I'm gonna show you up close what it looks like. I've been really into cold brew lately, and this is a really good option. It's less than $5 for a whole container, which has, it has 4 servings per container, which really depends on how much of it you drink at a time. But I really love this cold brew. It's delicious, it's strong, and it's great to mix and make iced lattes in the summer. So check this out. Next up are these Buttercrisp crackers. These are super delicious. They're much better than some of the other name brands, honestly. So I'm going to definitely be checking these out this week. I'm going to be eating them with this Dill Havarti cheese. So this is a block of cheese that's great for snacking. So I think that this combination is going to be great together. I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but my favorite teriyaki sauce is actually this Fusia teriyaki sauce from Aldi. I really love this teriyaki sauce because it's the right amount of sweetness, the right amount of heat. It's great for those nights when you're just making those quick stir fries. It's great as a glaze for salmon or for chicken. Honestly, I eat this stuff on bread. I love this stuff so much. It's perfectly balanced. It's the perfect sauce for those Asian inspired dishes when you just want to throw something together. It's also really good as a dip, or to saute something in, or to even put a glaze on something for the oven. So I highly suggest this teriyaki Asian sauce. Oh my gosh, you guys, how cute is this? This is a flavor tray of snacking tomatoes, but of course you can use them however you want. I'm going to use them in my normal dishes, but I really like this because last time I got some of these tri-colored tomatoes, they were so delicious from Aldi. They had great sweet flavor, and the summertime is a great time to purchase tomatoes. You can use this in anything from bruschetta to as a tomato on a salad, or add it to omelets. I have a few recipes on my blog that I'll link below that have tomatoes in them, including bruschetta, and this is a great option to get some color and some vegetables into your diet. And it comes in a star package. I mean, how cute is that? Next up is this Gourmet marinara sauce. You know what marinara sauce is, you know what to use it for, but I really like getting it from Aldi because it's a great price. It's the same quality as some of the name brand tomato sauces that you get out here on the market. And I use this for things like spaghetti, of course. I use it for eggplant parmesan. I use it for pizza. This week I'm making pizza. And speaking of this week making pizza, I brought these mini naans from Aldi. How adorable are these? These are little naan breads, and it comes with 8 in a pack. And I thought this would be a really great treat this week, to treat myself, to make pizzas, or to have as flatbreads when I make my Greek or Mediterranean dishes. If you enjoy Indian food, naan is a great accompaniment to Indian food. It's pretty much just a different type of bread that's similar to a pita, but it's more rich, and I really enjoy it. So I'm going to be using these two to make mini pizzas. Let me know if you want a recipe for mini pizzas down below in the comments. And let's get into some quick vegetable options. So I purchased this Prince Edward medley, and it comes with green beans, wax beans, and carrots. And it's a great thing to have in the freezer, to just have to throw in as a side dish, or to make stir fries with. If you need some stir fry Or if you're interested in making stir fry, it's great to have this on deck. If you don't have fresh vegetables, you can just throw some of that delicious teriyaki sauce that I mentioned before, and bam, you have a meal, quick and easy. Put it over some rice or some cauliflower rice, quinoa. You can make any type of protein to go with it, like chicken, shrimp, beef, or if you are a vegan, you can use tempeh or tofu to add to your stir fry. If you are vegetarian, you might want to add, you know, just more vegetables and a grain to really accompany it. But this Prince Edward medley is super delicious, and the carrots and the wax beans are a great accompaniment to kind of mix up the flavors instead of just having green beans. Speaking of vegetables, I might as well get these out of the way. I got some broccoli spears. Nothing too exciting, but I like to have broccoli on hand as well as a side dish to throw into other dishes, to roast, to add to stir fry. I'm talking a lot about stir fry. I have a stir fry recipe coming up soon. Maybe that's why it's on my brain. Next, I got these home-style chicken breakfast sausages. These are great to have around for breakfast or brunch, or even breakfast for dinner. It's really hard to find chicken and turkey sausages sometimes, or chicken and turkey bacon, or just breakfast meat options that aren't pork or beef. So I love that Aldi has this brand, which is called Never Any, which is a sustainable brand that allows you to have alternative healthy options at a lower price. So I'm super excited to have these options at Aldi. These are going to be great for brunch today, actually. Hey guys, I have a secret. You can get GTS kombucha at Aldi for a cheaper price than retail. So I think these are about $3 at Aldi, and at any other retail store, you're going to be paying almost $5 per bottle for kombucha. So this week I got the Cosmic Cranberry, and I got the Gingerberry flavors. I love kombucha. If you've never heard of kombucha, it is a naturally fermented tea, and it's great for gut health. It's just healthy. It's low in sugar. It's a great drink to kind of give you a bit of natural energy. It has a little fizz to it. So little fizz reminds me of BTK. Bump, bump, bump. It has a little fizz to it, and it's just great to have around in between your meals, or just to drink by itself, to do a cleanse. It just really helps to make your stomach feel nice and clean, and it gets your digestive system going, and it's just a nice healthy alternative to soda or any other sweet drinks. So check out GTS kombucha or any other kombucha. And also, if you're interested in GTS kombucha, or if you like it, purchase it at Aldi because it is cheaper there. So you heard that from me. So my next item is going to be these oven roasted unsalted almonds. As you know, nuts as snacks can be super expensive, and shopping at Aldi, you get to buy all your favorite nuts, snack nuts, and everything that you would like to have in that kind of nut category for a cheaper price. So I love these because they're oven roasted, so that means that they have a little bit more flavor than just a raw almond. So I really do enjoy that. I tend to get unsalted nuts because I feel like there's too much salt when they are salted. So that is a tip for you if you're watching your sodium intake. Buy the nuts that are free of sodium, and even if you want to sprinkle a little pink sea salt or if you want to sprinkle a little bit of sea salt or pink Himalayan sea salt on them afterwards, that's totally fine. But I feel like when they come pre-salted, that they're just way too salty for me. The second to last item is going to be this buttermilk pancake mix, which is complete. All you have to do is add water. And if you're making waffles, you add oil and water. I love this mix. It's just as good as any of the other on-the-shelf breakfast pancake waffle mix options. It's really great, it's really affordable, and it's easy to make. I like having this on hand if I just want something sweet, or of course if I'm making breakfast or brunch and I want to make waffles or pancakes. So I highly suggest this. And my last item are some sweet strawberries. Maybe you want to add this to the top of your waffles or your pancakes. So just as a tip, if you're someone who is looking to just buy more healthy items, having fresh fruit on hand in the fridge that you can grab easily when you're getting hungry or you want something sweet, it's a lot better than getting, you know, a cupcake or something like that from the cabinet. So I always keep fresh strawberries on hand. Thank you guys for checking out this episode of Lonnie's Lessons. As always, subscribe and click that little bell notification if you enjoyed this content. Also, don't forget to like and share. If you're interested in my other Aldi haul, I will link that in the description as well as in the cards above. And as always, I'll leave you in love, peace, and style. Until next time, bye.